Okay, it's Frank again. So the band started breaking on my smartwatch, so I already took the top part off. This is the bottom part. As you can see, it's cracked here. It's just going to keep getting worse and worse until it just finally breaks off. So there's this little knob. You want to use your fingernail and just pull it inward, and the strap just comes off like that. So to install the new strap, so here's the new strap, and if you notice here it says 20 millimeter. That's because that's the distance between here and here. You don't want to measure the thickness of this or anything. You want to measure between here and here, and order a watch that's, of the same size or thickness or width or whatever. Okay, so I wanted like a silicone or rubber one just because it's waterproof in the shower. I don't know about this material, so I guess I'll find out tomorrow. So to install this here, once again you have this little lever. I want it this way, so when I put it on my wrist I just pull, and apparently it's Velcro, so I don't know. It's what I got, and it's a lot more effort and time and everything for me to go online, log in, and try to return it. So you go ahead and push this lever, get it at the point, there we go. So it was off to the side and you couldn't actually get it, but now I could grab it with my fingernail. You put this bottom post into here first. And then you just pull back and try to align the top of that pin with the hole on top. Ooh, I think I almost had it. Oh yeah, there we go. And then the other side, I guess, is going to be done in the same fashion, so it's off to the side. You have to get it up. Oh, please tell me it fits. Okay, good. Well, there you go. Now it's the Velcro, as you can see, but I don't know. We'll see. If it's not waterproof, maybe I could try to return it. Just, oh no. Did I? Darn it. I installed it upside down. So real quickly, this is how you fix that. You take everything off and do it all over again. Pop the pin out. Pop this pin out. Get that in that side. Push this pin into here. Oh no, we want to go with that side first. And there you go. So now, this time, apparently I'm supposed to be meditating. Maybe that's because that was aggravating, but there. Now when you go around with the Velcro, it's on the correct way, the way I want it, so where I just pull instead of pulling on this side. And we'll see if it's waterproof or not tomorrow. Thanks for watching.